The number 4 on the list is.
This fingerprint padlock is a convenient and secure solution for various locking needs. With its keyless design, you can access your belongings quickly and hassle-free. It features fingerprint recognition technology, eliminating the need for traditional keys or cumbersome apps. This makes it an ideal choice for a variety of situations, including securing gym lockers, protecting your valuables at the swimming pool, keeping luggage and backpacks safe during travel, and more. Its vibrant pink color adds a touch of style, making it a thoughtful gift for your mom on Mother's Day or for anyone who values both security and convenience. This smart lock offers peace of mind and ease of use. Simply program your fingerprint to gain instant access to your locked items, saving you the trouble of remembering combinations or carrying keys. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand the demands of daily use. Whether at the gym, by the poolside, or on your travels, the versatile nature of this padlock makes it a versatile addition to your security arsenal, providing keyless protection in a sleek and stylish pink design. In summary, this fingerprint padlock is a keyless and secure solution suitable for various scenarios. It offers convenience, reliability, and a touch of style with its pink color. It's a thoughtful gift option for Mother's Day or an excellent choice for safeguarding your belongings in settings like gyms, swimming pools, luggage, and backpacks. With fingerprint recognition technology, it's easy to use and provides peace of mind in knowing your items are protected without the need for traditional keys or apps.
The number 3 on the list is.
This fingerprint padlock is a convenient and secure solution for safeguarding your belongings, without the need for keys or smartphone apps. Its keyless operation simplifies access to your locker, gym bag, swimming pool locker, luggage, or backpack. Designed in an attractive pink color, it also makes for a thoughtful and practical gift option, such as for Mother's Day. The padlock features a biometric fingerprint recognition system, which means that only authorized users can unlock it with their unique fingerprints, providing an added layer of security. This eliminates the hassle of carrying and potentially losing keys or memorizing complicated combinations. The compact and lightweight design ensures that it's easy to carry and install on a variety of items, making it a versatile and user-friendly choice for securing your personal belongings. With its stylish appearance and simple yet effective functionality, this fingerprint padlock is not only an ideal choice for ensuring the safety of your valuables but also a great gift idea for your mother or any loved one who needs a reliable lock for their daily activities. Whether you're at the gym, by the pool, traveling with luggage, or just want to secure your backpack, this padlock offers keyless peace of mind in a trendy pink package.
The number 2 on the list is.
The E-Link Smart Fingerprint Cable Lock is a versatile and innovative security solution that offers a compact and highly secure locking mechanism. With a 3.6 long shackle, this padlock is designed to cater to a wide range of applications, making it ideal for securing gates, outdoor fences, cabinets, gym lockers, pool areas, yards, luggage, and even during travel. Its sleek black design gives it a modern and discreet appearance. This smart lock stands out thanks to its advanced biometric fingerprint recognition technology, ensuring keyless and highly convenient access. Users can register their fingerprints, eliminating the need for traditional keys or combinations, and enhancing security. The lock is also Bluetooth enabled, allowing users to control and monitor access remotely using their smartphones. Moreover, it boasts waterproof capabilities, making it suitable for outdoor use without compromising its functionality, ensuring your possessions remain secure in various weather conditions. The E-Link Smart Fingerprint Cable Lock is a reliable and versatile locking solution designed to simplify your security needs. Its keyless and biometric fingerprint recognition, combined with Bluetooth connectivity, ensures a high level of security and convenience. Whether you need to secure outdoor spaces, gym lockers, cabinets, or luggage, this padlock offers a sleek and waterproof solution to keep your belongings safe and accessible at all times.
The number 1 on the list is
the Master Lock Outdoor Bluetooth Smart Lock with Keypad is a cutting-edge security solution that offers both convenience and reliability. With a sleek black design and compact dimensions of 2 to 7/32 of an inch in width, this lock seamlessly blends into any outdoor setting. It provides a robust security system for various applications, such as securing gates, sheds, lockers, and more. The built-in Bluetooth technology allows users to control and monitor the lock using their smartphones, eliminating the need for traditional keys and ensuring easy access management. The integrated keypad adds an extra layer of versatility, enabling users to enter a unique code for entry in case they don't have their smartphone on hand. This feature is especially useful for homeowners, property managers, or businesses looking to grant access to multiple individuals without distributing physical keys. The lock is built to withstand outdoor conditions, ensuring durability and longevity. With this Master Lock Outdoor Bluetooth Smart Lock, you can have peace of mind knowing your property is protected while enjoying the convenience of modern technology for access control.